Shit, what it is?
Stay with something crazy, man.
Fuck calling me now. What it do? Go ahead, hold on, put some gas in it. Well, you about to, oh! Yo! 7:45. Yo! Yo!
Yeah, I'm about to go buy a gas tank. That shit's still going, bro. Okay, nice. Hey, man, I put $5 on there.
Damn, you probably touched somebody's shit.
Everybody asking that shit every time.
We on 4-7 the second hour.
Fucking just fill me up.
Gonna ride it.
Chill myself, huh? You got 0, man?
What it do? I ain't like shit be feeling so weird when I get off that and get on this.
Why I say run that, man, over there?
You ain't turn on? You got it in gear? This ain't gear. Ain't gonna crank with it.
Oh, I gotta be a nuisance.
I mean, you hold the clutch of the crank though. Wow.
Hey, no, Dirtbike, boy. I know that. That boy for the try, the clutch is out.
That boy riding like a worm. 24. I need to get one of them hoes. You put the tag on that bitch, go anywhere.
That bitch nasty, bro.
What?
That's matte black.
Wait, it's like a matte
green.
all those gray green shit. I don't know. That shit look crazy. Me, guy. That shit still open? Go full up.
Hey, look, check it out.
What they doing, boy?
I thought you was on 36. Going outside so it could be closer. Huh?
You got a charger or something?
Charge, I need a, they got a charger, but ain't got no cord. I ain't got the cord. Regular USB.
What this shit called?
10 to 700.
Yeah, y'all boys, shout out
That's all he want to do is speed.
that be right, smooth it.
What?
You go out of town on that shit, huh?
What? I ain't gonna ride that far. That shit too far.
Just be careful, bro. You
motherfuckers
can't drive out here.
Man, that car turned. I got hit on this strange street.
Hey, Bob, I gotta change.
Way down there. I was on like 64. Yeah. I gotta put it in a pouch. Ain't that like a 700 more, like a R7. Probably like 140 something.
Turn a little bit, let me see the dash.
Digi.
Man, that bitch digi. Man, that bitch tell you hot, cooler.
Yeah.
Man, that bitch just raw in that bitch. Yeah, that bitch raw. I thought that was a phone. No. Ain't got
A
nothing.
tablet, huh?
No, ain't got nothing. No, that's what I'm saying. I thought it was a phone on this shit.
Yeah, that bitch vibing.
What did you go for?
They go for like 10-9.
10,
Yeah.
Oh, you got a plug over there though.
Yeah. You plugged up.
Hey, what's up with little man? You like a little Dirtbike?
Yeah, yeah.
You still riding?
He want one of them shits now.
You take steering
The
wheel
electric.
off on it?
Yeah, he been to them shit though. He want a Surron, boy. I told him that shit ain't no joke. Boy, that shit's...
Why that 50th anniversary shit get down like that?
He did something to it. That shit ain't stopped.
Oh, he did something to it?
Nigga, Cowie Honda. Look. Straight Yamahas out here, man. All the way around.
Everything Yamaha. I got everything Yamaha.
Don't lose them shit. What shit about to die? first one used that bitch. He lit. Zip him up, zip him down. That boy motocross out. All them boy got on jerseys. The hell? Come for a ride. Come on, you ready?
Yeah, where your helmet at?
Helmet? Hold on, put your feet up.
Where?
This ain't no toy, man. You got places, you got comfortability for you.
Alright, go. You wanna bring me back here?
Of course. You ain't gotta hold on so tight, you good. Hold on. You can sit back, relax.
I'll relax.
Don't
Don't
relax.
drop me.
I won't never drop you. Spin that block, spin that block. From Miami?
Yeah.
You wanna go back? You wanna get kidnapped for a little bit?
Take me back.
You wanna go back already?
Yes, I got a club to go to.
What club you going to?
Brig.
Already? It's too early to go to Brig.
You wanna meet me there, maybe?
Yeah, I'm gonna gotta go there like 11, 12.
11.
Who you running with? That's your homies?
Yeah, I'm a homegirl.
I seen a nigga.
Huh?
I seen a nigga with y'all, right?
He gay.
To my homegirls.
He gay. The other one got a girlfriend with him.
Oh, okay.
And where you finna go?
What's your name?
Cass.
Cass? Yo. What they got? Hold on, let me pull over there.
We love it, y'all.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Miami Ski. That's that police lady. She don't be tripping. She vibing. Miami. Oh, okay. Later. Hey, shower. Y'all remember that boy? That boy still hanging. I see you. See you good? Alright, respect. What you selling? You got water? What you got?
Sparkling water with electrolyte.
Sparkling water? No alcohol?
No alcohol.
Ah. Oh, it's a sample? It's a sample?
Yes, it's a sample. If you can pour
That's
us
dirty.
in
You got another
Instagram.
one? What's that? The last one? They hot. Wow. Put in the ice and I come back.
Yes.
Save it for me, please.
Okay.
Por favor. Where you from?
Colombia.
Colombia, nice. What's your name?
Manuela. Nice to meet you.
Where?
Manuela.
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 Manuela. Okay. Skeet. Skeet.
Skin.
Skeet. What time you finish working?
9 p.m.
9? You coming for a ride or what?
Where? Scared.
Scared? You from Colombia? You can't be scared.
Yes.
You know La Casa Bike Life.
No, I don't like that.
You know La Casa Bike Life in Colombia?
You okay?
Forget the name. Let me show you.
I don't like
Why not?
because my healthy diet,
Oh, sorry, yeah. It's dangerous. But we like safe.
Colombia, great.
Nah, Colombia good.
But the motos in Colombia is crazy.
Look. Yeah.
Nice.
Colombia good. You know this area? I forgot the name of it.
Manrique.
And no seal. I forget. But yeah, later come. I'll take you around. You got give me a phone number.
Yes, my
Instagram your number. You call them?
Yeah, they come.
Or the gas station real quick?
Yeah.
¿Cómo pongo? Manuela, Colombia, Medellín.
Yeah.
Manuela.
Put Medellin. No, Colombia. I can't forget you. I gotta remember. Manuela.
Manuela.
Okay.
Okay.
Save the drink from me when I come back.
Okay.
See you later. You gotta worry about none of that.
I like your ride.
You wanna take a Mother's Day ride? You don't know what you're doing, you could die. That shit real. My cousin come. Get my brother in the club. Come on.